This is going to be an unboxing video for Bodhi Tree Alchemy. I might be saying that wrong. This is just a tincture, and it is just plain hawthorn. Okay, so this one comes very well packaged. You don't want those tincture bottles to rupture on their way, you know? With a little personal note. Hi Liam, thank you for your order. I hope this finds you well. Reach out if you have questions. With love and gratitude, Catherine. Thank you, Catherine. I appreciate the offer for help with the herbs. Additional protection on the bottle. Wonderfully detailed ingredients here, even though it is just hawthorn, but parts used: berries, alcohol, 1-2 vodka, method, macerated 40 days and nights, shaken with love daily. Well, I can't wait to experience the love myself. Thank you so much, Catherine. If you would like to find Catherine on Etsy, there is the name of their store. So, thank you so much.